Yeah, good day everyone. It's Kelly Sunders. In this video, we're gonna be talking about moving averages, right? So overall, moving average or indicators in general is not basically the main thing to know in trading overall in forex trading, right? But I'm gonna be talking about it in this video just based on what educational purposes, because many people be like, once they see indicator they will think it's something massive, something, I don't really know. But believe me, indicators are, to me, respectfully speaking, without any more need to downplay anything, indicators are not the main thing to know in forex trading, and I take them as what, trash personally. But if you're using indicator, you're making money from it, I don't care, you're making your money, right? So overall, everyone is here to actually what, make money, make profit. But in this video, I'm just going to be teaching you indicator and probably finding some failures in indicators also, right? The downside. But believe me, indicators, I when I started forex trading, if you check my YouTube channel earlier, you see that I was a full-time indicator trader, right? So that is why I always like people to also have the knowledge to see how indicators works. You understand? So that it will not be a new thing to you when you see other people talking about it or anything, so that you still know that yes, this is just the way it is. So in trading view, if you want to add indicators, I believe you just click up here, or you can click here. So overall, these are the indicators I have. Bollinger Band. Overall, I believe these indicators were from the jackpot strategy also. So once I click on Bollinger Band now, my Bollinger Band indicator settings will be added to my chart. Once I click on Ichimoku Cloud, I believe it will be added to my chart. So one disadvantages of indicators is you can see how noisy everything looks. And sometimes I see some traders using up to 50 sorry, don't, let me not exaggerate, but up to 10 indicators in a chart. So overall now you can see that yes, these indicators, this audio USD which I used in teaching the market structure video, right? Overall people be like, yes, we are now bullish, he's buying, he is green, or he's at the top. Okay, now Ichimoku color is showing yes, it's green, right? But overall you see that it's at the top of the Bollinger Band. Once it's at the top, you see expect a what, retracement, or top Bollinger Band sell, bottom Bollinger Band buy. You understand all those concepts, right? Let me turn off this Ichimoku cloud. It's too noisy, I can't see anything, please. Okay, so for those that use Bollinger Band, and this Bollinger Band has a setting, it's not ordinary setting, you don't just set anything, right? It has a setting, okay? The Bollinger Band has a setting. So here, bottom you buy, top you sell. But you can see that even when the market tends to go extreme, right, it still adjusts itself. The Bollinger Band is not something that is straight, or it still just adjusts itself. And sometimes they are lagging. They don't do in real lifetime, they do after the market has actually passed or traded, right? But it doesn't like stop you from doing anything or anything. So I'll be turning that off. I want to focus on moving average because I find that they are the ones that is a bit easy to understand or comprehend. Okay, so this is the 20 moving average. So how do you set it to be 20 and change the color? Just once you have added it from here, once you have added your moving average from here, I can still add another moving average to the chart, then I will now edit it. So this is another moving average I just added. I'll be editing it. Click on the settings icon. Okay, click on the inputs right here. The length is 9, so I'll be changing the length to what, 50. I want it to be 50 EMA moving average. Okay, I want to change the color also. I want to change the color, so you go to visibility, sorry, style. So I'll change the color to red. I'll change the 50 EMA moving average to red. Okay, okay, now this is the 50 and the what, 20 EMA moving average. So overall, using this moving average knowledge right here, what can it do for you, or how can you put it in context also to from trade setup? Because overall everyone is here to make money from trading, right? So anything you're talking about or teaching, you should actually have a way to what, use it to what, form a trade setup. So remember, the 50 EMA moving average is the one on red, then the 20 EMA moving average is the one on blue. So I want you guys to identify something right here. I'll be using this rectangle too. So I want to be pointing out, see, watch closely when the blue 20 EMA moving average crosses the 50-day moving EMA moving average. You understand? So this 20 crossing the 50, you saw that it was a sell. So once you identify something like this, which we are just seeing here right now, right? So okay, this happened here. I wanted to just adjust it to show you here. Okay, you can see that. Now once you see this cross, people will be like, so once I see this cross, I'll enter blah blah blah. Then once over here you see the blue actually crossing high again, you start buying. So overall, this is just the idea of moving averages. Once it cross, you start buying. But believe me, you will not see this in real time. Okay, just like currently now, you're not seeing anything happening. Let's go down, and the lower time frame, the more you go down, or you go to the lower time frames, right, you see that it becomes more distractive and more noisy also. Like, it's not really what somebody should focus on. There are so many other stuff. Okay, you can see this week tapping here. You can see, okay, blue actually pushing up, but now market is still just trying to go lower. So all this, putting it in context, coming to the lower time frame, is not really that in depth. But overall, moving average probably just give you a context of when the market is, is above it or below it, right? So if you see that once market is, let me turn off the 50 and focus on the 20 moving average, because that is the one I found that makes more sense to me, right? So you can see here, once the market crosses the moving average, it's going to be strong by the 20 moving average itself. For example, here you can see that the market actually is above it. Then once the market breaks below it, just know that yes, is about to sell. But believe me, I don't use this as a confluence. Currently the market is above it, right? But I still know that the market will be dropping sooner. So it's not like what you hold as a strong confluence or as a strong how will I put it, is not what you hold to put money to risk your $1,000 or to risk your $10,000, and just because of you understand, or you saw a line or anything, you understand. So that is basically it for now. Well, I'll still be making more advanced content teaching you guys in mentoring, but this video is just to point it out straight so that everybody will see it clearly and understand this better. Once again, thank you for watching this YouTube channel. Do well to join the Sunders FX 2023 mentorship, beginners mentorship, and go through other beginners content, gradually. And I believe you understand better and millions will be made for sure. And once again, thanks and bye bye.